Crochet flowers for beginners. They look very beautiful on any project. First we have to make a knot. You can make any knot. I'm just using this one. Cross the yarn and then turn back and pick this yarn from the crochet and hold this yarn like that. So this one is done. So we will have just this one, and I just want to cut this one a little bit too long, this one. 5 chain. We have to make 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 chain, and in the first chain we will do single crochet in the first one, like that. Bring the yarn through the 2 yarns. So this hole is made, and we will hold this yarn with this one, and now we start. So we will do 4 chains. 1 2 3 and 4, and treble crochet 1 and 2 times, and then put this one in the hole, and 2 yarns off, again 2 yarns off, again 2 yarns off. So this one 2 we will make like that. 3 more. 1 2 times treble crochet 3 times. Have a look. 1 and this one is like 3 lines are made, and we will make one more. 1 2 times, put through the hole, and then 2 yarns off, again 2 yarns off, again 2 stitches off. Now we have 4 lines. 1 2 3 and 4 lines. After 4 lines we will do the 4 chain. 1 2 3 4 chains, single crochet again here, single crochet like that. So this one now we can squeeze in like that, and this one petal, see this one petal is made. Now we will start making next one. 4 chains every time, beginning 4 chains, 2 3 4 chains, yarn around the crochet 2 times. You can use any crochet, whatever you like, any yarn. Then this one is treble crochet, doing like that, and we will do 3 times like that. Again 1 2. So we made 3 lines, one more line, one, two, and 3. You will see this one is 3, 1 2 3 and 4 lines are made, and again 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4. So again single crochet through the hole, single crochet, put the yarn through the 2 chains, and then squeeze in. So we have 2 petals. Again 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4, then yarn around the hook 2 times and start making a petal. Again 2 times yarn, so we have now 1 2 3 4, and we have in the fifth one 4 chains, 1 2 3 and 4 chains and single crochet. Again 4 chains, 4 chains, and put the yarn around the needle, 4 chains and treble crochet. Have a look again, 4 chains and 2 times the yarn around the hook, 1 2 and again 2 times, 3, one more we will make, and now 4 lines, and then we have 4 chains and 4 chains, and now we will do the single crochet. So this one is done. Now we will turn this like that on the back side, and we will join this one with this petal, and we can pull through like that, and then you can cut the yarn and pull this yarn through this, and this one knot is made, and you can see here this one is done. And now we will fix this yarn like that around here, and one more time fix here, and done. And then we will have a look, we cut this yarn like that, and this one is done. So 5 petals, this one look, you can make so 5 beautiful. Petals I just made, and if you like you can add the beads here or the pearls here. Thanks for watching. This look very beautiful.